What's up, a Cinema Shogun here, and Ricky Martin just had a huge win in court. As you all know, just a few days ago, the news started circulating around that Ricky Martin was facing up to 50 years in prison for having a relationship with his own nephew. Now, as I reported to you all last night, there was never a criminal investigation into Ricky Martin. Ricky Martin's nephew just went and got a restraining order against Ricky Martin. But now Ricky Martin's nephew has said he no longer wants the restraining order. The case has been dismissed. He has taken back all of his claims. And let's just go ahead and see what happened, because the lawyers have issued a statement. Just as we anticipated, the temporary protection order was not extended by the court. The accuser confirmed to the court that his decision to dismiss the matter was his alone, without any outside influence or pressure. And the accuser confirmed he was satisfied with his legal representation in the matter. The request came from the accuser asking to dismiss the case. This was never anything more than a troubled individual making false allegations with absolutely nothing to substantiate them. We are glad that our client saw justice done and can now move forward with his life and career. Ricky Martin has, of course, never been and would never be involved in any kind of romantic relationship with his nephew. The idea is not only untrue, it is disgusting. We all hope this man gets the help he so urgently needs, but most of all, we look forward to this awful case being dismissed as soon as the judge gets to look at the facts. Now, this is speculation here. This is just my opinion. The dude just, came up with these accusations not too long ago. Now he's saying that he wants to withdraw these accusations and these claims against Ricky Martin. I mean, it looks like there was probably a settlement here. Once again, full speculation, but let's be honest. Where did this big change of heart come from? Was he paid off? Most likely. I mean, the dude just filed a restraining order, what was it, like last week? And now, never mind. Everything I said, never mind. Ricky Martin's cool. Nothing ever happened between us. AKA, you just got a huge paycheck. Most likely. Now, we don't know that for sure. Of course, maybe he just decided, hey, I was lying. I no longer want to keep up with this lie. Ricky Martin's innocent. I withdraw my claims. That could be possible as well. It's important to note that in a court of law, Ricky Martin is innocent. Now, it's up to you to form your own opinion about what really went down here. I'm going to tell you all right now, the mainstream media is going to protect Ricky Martin. There's a lot of people out here who are going to just automatically protect Ricky Martin because it's in their best interest, because Ricky Martin is part of a protected class. Ask yourself, why did Johnny Depp lose his entire career off of a baseless accusation, while Ricky Martin seems to be flying high, just released a new album, everything's okay? Never mind that his nephew claimed he did all of this. Regardless if those accusations are true, you have to see how Hollywood and these music industry and all of these big wigs, how they react. Johnny, you're automatically fired. We got accusations against you. You're gone. You're losing all these jobs. Ricky, you're part of a protected class, so we're going to wait and see the facts. We're going to wait for court. So a lot of people are going to automatically protect Ricky. I've seen it. I've seen it time and time again with different stars. I'm seeing it happen now. Anyone who's being honest with you all would question, okay, why did all of a sudden this case just get dismissed? Why all of a sudden did this nephew just decide to withdraw these claims? You know what I mean? Obviously, something happened behind the scenes that we don't know about. Now, Ricky Martin and his family are claiming that his nephew is crazy, out of his mind, he's mentally ill. That's why he came up with these accusations. But they don't touch on the mental illness when it comes to him withdrawing these accusations. So if this dude's so crazy, then how can we trust him if he's withdrawing these accusations? You understand what I'm saying? If this dude's so crazy, then was he not crazy when he decided, hey, you know what? I don't want to go along with this anymore? Was he no longer insane when he said, I withdraw all of these claims? Was he only insane when he was claiming Ricky Martin did this stuff? If you ask me, someone who's insane wouldn't really be mentally capable of going into court and saying, you know what, I withdraw all of these accusations. That's just my opinion. So the dude was totally insane the other day, but today he has the mental capacity to know that what he did was wrong and to withdraw all accusations against Ricky Martin. I'm just saying it's either one or the other. Is this dude crazy or not? But I want you all to understand, I'm not here trying to tell you that Ricky Martin is guilty. I told you all along, I'm on the fence about it. But just because this restraining order, got taken away doesn't mean that I'm still not on the fence about it. The truth is, we'll never know what happened here. We never will. Of course, these could be totally false, fake accusations. However, I noticed that people aren't taking these accusations as seriously as, say, someone like Amber Heard when she says, oh, Johnny slapped me. What's worse to you? I mean, honestly. Some domestic disputes between a husband and wife, or someone having sex with their nephew and possibly grooming their nephew. In my opinion, it's the latter. But of course, in today's day and age, we want to ignore those little type of problems. And that's what's going on here. There will be a victory lap. There will be content creators out there. Oh yeah, I told you all Ricky Martin was innocent, when in reality, we don't know. We haven't seen a shred of evidence. We have no idea if he's guilty or innocent. All we know is that the restraining order or the protective order, it's not getting extended. I want you all to understand, this was never a lawsuit. This was never a criminal investigation. Ricky Martin's nephew went and got a restraining order because he said he was scared of Ricky Martin. That's all there was to the story. And then Ricky Martin and his team freaked out about it. And they went to court to fight to make sure that his nephew can no longer have this protective order. Now, I understand that having that protective order out there kind of puts a blemish on your name. But as far as I'm concerned, if someone was like, I want a restraining order against him, and it was someone who I never interacted with or talked to, I would be like, okay. I mean, it's weird, but at the same time, I'm not going to fight tooth and nail to make sure that you can no longer have this restraining order. If you want a protective order against me extended, and I don't even talk to you or care about you at all, then why should it matter? You understand what I'm saying? It's like he's going so hard to fight to make sure this protective order isn't extended. Therefore, he could legally go see his nephew. I'm just saying. All it was a restraining order. I understand wanting to wipe that off of your name, but at the same time, it's just a restraining order. You know what I mean? I mean, honestly, we wouldn't even know the identity of the person who got the restraining order on Ricky Martin if it wasn't for Ricky Martin's own brother going and telling the public about it. Throughout this whole occasion, throughout this whole incident that's been going on with Ricky Martin, we haven't seen Ricky Martin's nephew going out there and trying to do interviews. We haven't seen him on every camera. We don't see him on social media trying to get clout. We don't see him raising money on GoFundMe. We don't see any of that. There's no lawsuit. There's no criminal investigation. This 21-year-old kid just simply went out there and got a restraining order. Now, like I keep saying, it could be all a fabrication or it could all be a lie. But I don't like how people are trying to dig up dirt on this kid. Like, oh, look, he has a restraining order against him. And it's basically victim blaming, victim shaming. They're trying, instead of looking into this situation, trying to figure out if Ricky is guilty or not, people are looking into this situation and trying to basically throw dirt on the accuser. You understand what I'm saying here? And why is that? It's because Ricky is part of a protected class. So before their minds could even fathom that Ricky could be guilty, they want to see the guilt in everyone else. And also because they're scared. People are scared to go up against these protected classes. If you say that you think Ricky is guilty, they will automatically apply labels on you. Like, you're a bad person, you're phobic, it's all because he's gay or something like that. When in reality, you just know how the entertainment industry works. Time and time again, young kids, young men, young women are victimized, and then they're thrown to the curb, and then they're victim shamed when they come out and say what happened to them. No, I do not think it's far-fetched that Ricky was sleeping around with his nephew. People in the entertainment industry do all types of weird things. We have to stop looking at these celebrities like they're gods. Like they're gods amongst men. They're not. They're just average people that know how to sing, know how to shake their hips, and they use their money and power to, get sexual favors from people a lot. I'm not saying that's the case with Ricky Martin per se, but we don't know. But as far as we know right now, this whole situation's squashed. It's over with. We'll never hear anything else about it. Probably, who knows, but Ricky Martin has won. So take that as you will. I know some people will be happy. Some people will be upset. I'm indifferent about this because, like I said, I don't know how to feel. I'm very aware of people coming up with fake allegations against famous people in order to get clout, money, and fame. I understand that. But I'm also very aware that people with money, clout, and fame often take advantage of people who don't have that same money, clout, and fame. So it's a really difficult situation for me as far as me forming an opinion about what really happened here. But as far as the courts go, they say that, hey, Ricky won. Dude has withdrawn his claims, so it's over. So all we could do is wait and see what happened. But I want to know your honest opinion. I don't want to hear your clouded judgment if you're a Ricky Martin fan. But your honest opinion deep down, do you think this is true? Do you think it's false? Are you happy it was thrown out? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Like I said, I'm still on the fence about it, so I would really be interested in hearing how you all feel about it as well. But while you're down there, hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and I'll talk to you all on the next video.